Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the next part of my GMADE BOM build series. In this part, we'll cover the wheels and tires. It's going to be a very short part. It comes with the GMADE MT1904 tires and these wheels right here. Now, I don't plan on using these wheels and tires, so I'm just going to put these together just for the sake of building this truck up in stock form before I swap them out. So I'll just go ahead and show that first, and we'll start. So in step 56, we're going to be mounting the tires onto the wheels. And these are bi-directional tires, it looks like. Well, maybe not. Go ahead and just mount them on. Now you're supposed to glue these on. I will not do that right now because I actually like the wheels, but I'm not sure if I want to keep them mounted to these tires. Right, 1, 2. Now again, usually you would glue the beads, but I won't be doing that for now. And that's all for step 56. Alright, so for steps 57 and 58, you're basically just mounting the wheels and tires onto the truck. So we'll go ahead and start with that. Now before I continue, these are the parts that you'll need for that. That completes step 57 and 58 and this part of my GMADE BOM build series. Thanks for watching.